The Volkswagen Jetta is the ideal example of how to combine luxury and visual appeal in a car that feels much larger than it actually is. Its eye-catching design and high level of luxury put other cars to shame even when it was first released. But over time, its competitors began to catch up. When you look at the 2010 Volkswagen Jetta's page on Car Complaints website, you can see lots of issues, including electrical, interior, engine and fuel system problems. So, let's take a closer look at them. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Stereo systems problems. The most frequent issue in the first 90,000 miles is stereo systems wearing out. The dash head unit breaks, and the only option is to buy a new one that will run you about $700. Battery problems. Another issue is dead batteries, which occur every 2 years on average. The car contains a lot of electronics that can quickly drain the battery due to parasitic draw. The battery replacement costs about $300. Engine problems. At around 70,000 miles, a check engine light appears on many cars. The coil packs and spark plugs, which have a replacement cost of about $600, are known weak points. Transmission problems. In automatic transmissions with a high mileage, shifting problems caused by internal issues can be challenging to fix without replacing the transmission. Power windows fail. It's possible for one or more power windows to malfunction. It's a typical issue brought on by a broken window regulator that needs to be replaced. Electrical issues. Ground wiring problems are frequently the cause of electrical problems that are challenging to diagnose. The most troublesome ground locations are under the battery or at the engine. There are 6 recalls, with the most serious one being for fuel lines which can rupture, increasing the risk of a fire. 2010 Jetta reviews. The Jetta is a high-quality compact car, according to Consumer Reports, but owner satisfaction ratings are below average. The Jetta receives a 4.5 out of 5 rating from Edmund, who likes the diesel engine's fuel efficiency but dislikes the vehicle's lengthy braking distances. The sporty suspension and dated styling are both complaints from Kelley Blue Book customers who give the Jetta a 4.5 out of 5 rating. Reliability. A 2010 Jetta that has been properly maintained should be able to go 200,000 miles, which is about 50,000 miles fewer than top rivals like the Toyota Corolla. According to Repair Pal, this compact car requires $636 worth of regular annual maintenance. Since the majority of Jettas from 2010 have over 100,000 miles, owners should be ready to spend $600 to replace the power steering hose, $400 to replace the coolant temperature sensor, and $350 to replace the window regulator.